TMJ Dentist. Been treating TMJ Dentist in my private practice for 16 years or so. And over the last few months, I've searched and found, purchased and reviewed and rated these products that are down below on my website. And it is excellent information. You know, being a TMJ Dentist and serving the people for 16 years, I do know a bit about the TMJ area, and it is excellent information. The TMJ exercises probably is one of the most underused, excellent treatment that is available. And they are available. It's really good. It's just as if you were there. And almost, not quite, but pretty, as close as we can get it to that. But I'm going to send you 4 or 5 TMJ exercises out of about 20 that we have, just as a bonus. And you know, it's excellent. You just follow along with Nylin, the TMJ therapist that I refer to.
Is running out. Come save. Death is creeping in. Come save. We humble ourselves and seek your face. Pour out your mercy like rain. Your sun